Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon hairstyle in about 3 minutes. First of all, I'm going to apply some texture powder at the roots near the crown and just massage that in. Then, leaving some hair out to frame the face, I'm going to divide the hair into 2 equal sections and then just secure each half into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then just pinch and pull at the hair to loosen things up a little bit so it's not so tight. Then we're going to make a hole behind that left ponytail and pop a couple of fingers through. Then pass your ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then just simply repeat the same twist on the opposite side. Then we're going to pop our fingers behind that left hand ponytail again, but this time I'm going to take the right hand ponytail, pass it to my fingers and pull it all the way through that hole. And then repeat on the opposite side, so pop your fingers back through the hole on the right hand side, grab the left hand ponytail and pull it through. Now gather up those ponytails together and secure them with a clear elastic band. And we're going to pop our fingers behind this elastic band as well. And we're going to do another twist, so take your ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole like you did with the 2 before. Then we're going to pinch and pull at that twist to create some more volume. And then I've just slipped a couple of bobby pins in the bun to keep everything secure. Now with the remaining hair I'm going to split it in half. Taking that left hand part of the ponytail, I'm going to make a hole in the right hand twist that we just done, and I'm going to pull the left hand section all the way through and then repeat it for the right hand side, so make a hole in the left hand twist and again pull it all the way through. Secure all your tail ends with another elastic band, but only pull the tail ends through part way on the last twist to create a loop. And then we're simply going to roll this twist underneath the bun and secure it to the head with a bobby pin or 2. Then just fix everything in place with a little bit of Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.